the hospital bag. I ain't wasting this makeup. Refill. So this could be part 1, hospital bags and stuff. Part 2 because I'm doing it in this same outfit.
So what are we doing?
This is the what we have so far.
Okay. Alright.
You're pressed in? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Peaches and it's
Dean here, and we're back with another video.
And today we're going to
show you what we got for our BABY baby. Yes, so Peaches going to take the lead on this.
So what we have so far, these are gifts. So we have this little onesie as a gift. And then we have the burp cloth.
Show them how much burp cloth. Yeah, do that properly and I like to cut them multiple burp cloths and show them. Right.
We have more burp cloth, but they're in our hospital bag, which we'll show you in the next video. So these are our burp cloths. We also have some receiving blankets.
We have a lot in those.
Yes. So So just to show you what one looks like, this is what it looks like. And it came in a pack of 4.
This guy gets more gifts than me. I've never received so much things in my life.
We have some bibs. This is just a small amount of bibs that we are showing. We have bibs in our hospital bag. We have bibs right here. This is about 10 bibs.
Yeah.
And then this is like what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus the hospital bag, plus there is more to get.
I think we have bibs in hospital bag because you need them.
I think we packed 2.
Oh, yeah.
I think we packed 2. So this is what these look like. You know, I like this color. I love this. And this color too. We got a book, his first book, and it makes sounds, you know, and he can open it and be amazed by the colors. It's really nice. A nice book. You know, this was another gift. Little things he could hold. We also got this hat.
That's a set or
no? No, it's just a hat. The embroidered hat. Yeah. We do have a set. Yes. We do have this set with the hat and the socks. And then we have another set with the hat and the mittens, which is in the hospital bag. Do you want to show them these?
Okay, what do we have here? So we have some onesies. Onesies, guys. Right. So we have these are some 6 months onesies. We got them. We got that gift. You see the nice designs. We have about 5 here. Okay. So we got a lot of gifts, which is really nice. Thank you so much to everyone who have given into our wonderful son's life and blessed him even before he actually comes out into this world. So we
Yes.
appreciate you all.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's a cute outfit.
Yes.
Yes, yes. My boy going out. He going to the park.
To the
Or
clinic
to the clinic.
for his
The
shot.
doctor.
Yeah, that's pretty. Then you also have this. This is really nice. You can show these.
This look like the 3 months, yes. So these are the 3 months onesies. Yeah. We have 3 meals. So we have a lot of we got a lot of onesies, and people usually, well, they give us from different ranges. They have newborns. They give us 0 to 3. We got 3 months, 6 months, 18 months. So, and the brands are Carter, Carter brands. So these are, I know these can really cost a little bit. So thank you again.
Yes, we appreciate it so much. So what I was fighting with was a towel and it's rags. These are nice. These are nice rags. And we have this beautiful towel with a nice design. That's nice. Yeah. And we also have these. I love this. This I'm
Especially
in
here in
love
the
with.
Caribbean, where it's can get a little bit hot sometimes.
Yeah,
So
real heated.
So these are really good.
Yeah.
These should be what? These are 6 months?
Yes.
Right. So you see how much 6 months things, that's already 12 in those, the white ones, and then I showed you the ones before. So yeah.
Also, we have this cute little pants. Cute. This is so cute. That's for 6 months.
I need to get one like this to match. So you can put on a white tee, or little pants and shoes. Yeah, it's gonna be so cool.
Yes.
So guys, these are just a small portion, and we do have a lot of things coming. People asking us what we would like, So
Yeah, and we have no idea what we like.
What we like,
Y'all can just send us anything,
basically, yeah. So, you guys want our information, we have all our information on our channel, our emails, our Instagrams, everything. You can just hit us up and feel free. We'll reply.
Yes, we will. And this little plant is so cute. It's so cute.
They should be 3 months.
Yes,
So
this is 3 months.
Actually, guys, we labeled most of our things. She can show you how we label them.
Yeah.
And stored them away.
So I actually put them in just these clear plastics with a tape
and marker,
a Sharpie, and just label it so we have an idea of the ranges of clothes that we have. So we have to make sure he gets to wear every single piece of those, right?
These are some
You're going to check his Instagram page.
Of course, the boy's going to be popping. Look, he already has his little jeans already, so it's really nice.
And these are 0 to 3 months jeans.
Watch my son in his jeans.
Yeah, this is really, really cute.
Son is like a joggers.
Yeah, it's like a cargo. Yep. The blue one that I showed before was the joggers. Yeah. So, and we have many more. We have this short sleeve onesie baseball looking one that I love. Love this. And he's just gonna wear this with one of his pants. This is 3 to 6 months. So again, everything is already packaged, I should say, and well organized, just waiting to be placed in the drawer according to the size he is. And yeah, and we have, what do I really want to show you? This.
Yes, these are the outfits we want to show you guys.
These is why we put the camera on. Badao, baby. Baby. You see me? He's coming for you.
Man's hot like that. Check him out, check him out.
Real cute. Really cute. So guys, that's all for today. There's a lot more, but as he grows, y'all will see the pictures on Instagram. So follow us.
Yeah, I know you probably want to know what his name is. We're still working on that.
Oh yes, we have to do the name reveal video also.
Mm-hmm.
So stay tuned for that.
So guys, remember to stay pretty, stay litty, and always remember to
Be loyal,
be loved,
and live your life. Sorry, my nose was running.